Cloud gaming is pretty cool, and recently Microsoft has finally given PC users the option to use cloud gaming via the beta for the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. However, when I covered it in my recent video, many people have been saying that they have been unable to use it, either because of some region locking issues, or because they haven't gotten some specific invite from Microsoft, even though I didn't get any official invite, but it still worked for me. However, before the service for the PC even released, I used a different way to have normal Xbox Cloud streaming on my PC, though it was a bit more, let's just say, janky and dumb. So today I decided to mercilessly take out two birds with one stone and make a video on how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming, aka xCloud, on your PC the dumb way. So for this experiment, you're gonna need a controller, a phone which can stream xCloud, and also a streaming stick. So here I have a first generation Amazon Fire Stick, but pretty much any streaming stick will work. However, if you're planning to play on a smart TV, which already has streaming built in, then obviously you don't need one. Otherwise, just connect your streaming stick to your monitor, plug it in, turn on whatever game you want on your phone, and then stream it over to your monitor via the streaming stick, and then simply just use your gamepad to play via your phone and then onto your monitor. Yeah, I told you it's janky, but in theory it all should just work fine, right? Well, yes, but let's just get into it. I'll show you guys how exactly this looks. And then just simply use something like, for example, Smart View on Samsung devices like my Note 20 Ultra here to just cast the Xbox app over to your Fire Stick. And there's also a point where you want to connect up your controller to your phone. Remember, do it to your phone and not your PC, because you're not using your PC. You're using your phone to play here, so use that. And then you should be ready to go. What on earth should we play? So far, so good. Naturally, there's already quite a few issues, like for example, the whole stream not taking up my entire monitor, and then also stuff like whatever this is. Oh, apparently we're doing this again now. Yeah, like I said, it can be a bit temperamental, but that's not even the worst thing about this method. But here's kind of the main problem I was kind of hinting at earlier. Look how long it takes between me pressing down on trigger and my character actually shooting. Look. I don't even need to show that in slow motion. You saw how insane that delay is. Now that is mainly because of the extra step between your controller, then going to your phone, then going to your streaming stick. Because as you can see here on my phone, the delay between the controller and the image actually updating on the phone isn't that big. And I talked about it before when I talked about xCloud, that the latency is pretty much non-existent, and you're gonna feel like you're playing on your phone, because you're gonna really need to be like an esports pro to be able to sense that kind of change in latency. But you only need a pair of functioning eyes to see exactly how big the latency is in this method, making stuff like this literally unplayable. It is horrid and it is beautiful. So, hi. Oh no, I literally can't even aim at him. Literally missed all those shots. Here, have a stun grenade. Gonna shoot you from the hip. I still haven't shot him. Okay, yeah, I had enough. Like I said, this is extremely dumb. But hey, if you can't for whatever reason access Xbox Cloud Gaming on your PC right now, then this is something to think about. Another thing that could be causing this massive latency is the fact that we are using a first gen Fire Stick. That thing has quite a few years under its belt now, so modern streaming solutions will probably have way less latency. That's also not to mention the problem that unless you have your phone plugged in the whole time, it's gonna eat battery like crazy. But like I said, it's dumb, but it works, and I just wanted to show it because of how dumb it is. But hey, try it out before you bash it. If you can't access xCloud on your PC yet, at least give it a go, and just let me know how long you can survive in pretty much any game with several seconds of input latency. But hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to help out the channel so we can have more dumb experiments like this on this channel, then maybe check out my Patreon, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping out this channel, and also allows us to make way better videos, along with videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also love to thank my patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Meg Sumner, and Blake DeRake. Thank you guys so much. Your support truly goes a long way. Down there you're just going to have our Amazon links if you want to get yourself an Amazon Fire Stick over there. You don't pay anything extra while we get some money, so it's a win-win. Plus down there's also a customs link if you want to get 5% off on awesome customizable keyboards. Plus down there's also our Discord server if you're going to talk to me or others at this or whatever else really. Plus down there is our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you didn't remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.